the 2018 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.